What's up guys, how you doing? Good morning. We are currently about to go check up on the car that's been missing from the channel for a while. Yeah, it's my Camaro. I dropped it off about 10 days ago. I have not seen the car. It had a little side damage, side swipe, couple scratches and dents. Probably needed a front fender changed. I just got off the phone with the painters. They said that it's about to go in for paint, so we're gonna go check on their work, put the check on it, see if everything's all good. Hopefully it is. Yeah, so as I said, we can go check on it, see what's up with it, see if the car's ready, show you around the shop if there's anything cool there, and yeah, follow along. We're out here. Apparently he's busy in the booth back there. I want to wait out here for a little bit, see what we can do. Catch you guys. Alright guys, we're out here. We're gonna show you the progress on this thing now. There she is, all scuffed up, getting ready for paint. You can see the damage area right there. Right there, down there. Up there. And the car all taped up, ready to go in the booth. Dang, son. This thing's been missed. Hopefully we can come pick it up in a couple days pretty soon. And I guess I'm gonna go home and y'all will see the rest of this. Oh man, that's a sweet 300D. What do you guys think about these Mercedes? I don't know what's the plural, but this guy has a clean 300 diesel. I'm in love with those Benzes, man. Back in the day when those were new, if you had one of those, you were a baller. And what do you guys think? Maybe a 190 Cosworth project? Let us know. I wouldn't mind wide bodying one of these. And of course, this is Mercedes land, and you can see deep in there, there's a wrapper spec. Oh, and another wrapper spec car. We got that LS430, baby. We got that 2UZFB. What you know about that Toyota V8? Check out that S430, boy. That's pretty clean. Most of those are in the junk. Come on, man. I need my food. Yo, I'm hungry, guys. I'm fucking hungry. It's around you. We got a Chrysler 300 behind me, and then we got the S-Class in front of me. and everywhere you look out here, man, it's all hood cars out here, all on 24s, jacked and shit, with that dark tint. I'm in this fishbowl. I look stupid out here, man. Be out here though. Be out here in the hood. Look at this dude flexing with that Lincoln. Hell yeah, man, that's funny. Got some food though. Nah, this video is not sponsored by Wendy's, but it could be though. And there's Taco Cabana. I just lost my sponsorship. But hey man, you know how it is. You gotta get that sauce though. Look at all that sauce, man. Look at all that sauce. Hell yeah, I'm gonna eat my nuggets and we're gonna go home. Alright guys, well, I hope now you all guys know what happened to my Camaro. She is in surgery. She'll be back, and I will make a video and show you how it came out. I kind of cheaped out on it, but it'll be all right. It'll be okay. It'll do. Nah, he's good. I trust him, I swear. But yeah, that's all for today. I will catch y'all in the next video. See ya. Peace. What's up, guys? It's a new day. We're about to go get back to Camaro. I think she's done. Hopefully she looks beautiful. Let's get going. Alright guys, we got her back. Here she is. I'm low-key excited to have it. It's been a while. I forgot how this thing punches. It's pretty fun. It's been pretty fun. I was cruising with a bunch of cool cars back there. There was a WRX, there was a Mustang. There was two Mustang GTs. Man, it's a blast. It's a nice car, man. It's a nice car. I'm glad to have it back. Hopefully we can make some more new content with it. I'll be driving it around a little bit more. I want to enjoy it a little more. Alright guys, well now I'm on my way home. we're gonna take this baby home. We're told not to wash it, so we won't wash it. But I give you some cinematics of the car, just so you can be entertained. And hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to do more hold the camera vlog style stuff, or if you'd like to see more car reviews. Keep that in the comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And peace out until the next video.